What's up, my friends? Quiz Universe is back with another epic challenge. This time, we're testing your observation skills with 15 puzzles spread across easy, medium, and hard levels. Today, it's the numbers and letters edition. Because who said school stuff can't be fun? You've got 10 seconds to lock in the right answer and score a point. If you're ready to rock this challenge, hit that subscribe button and let's go! Level 1, easy peasy. Can you find the odd one? Boom, there it is. Which letter stands out? Nailed it, it's right here. Spot the unique letter. We only have the letter M on this board. Emoji time. Which emoji is correct, A or B? The answer is A, the one with the cheesy goodness. Can you find the odd one now? You got it! Right there! Nice job finishing the easy level. Let's step it up with a medium level. Spot the odd letter out. P is the oddball today. Can you find the numbers? Yep, 6, 7, 8 is what we were looking for. Can you find the letter that doesn't belong? Let's check the answer. Spot the odd number. That's right. It's number 7. Which letter doesn't belong? Gotcha. That's sneaky J. Level 3. The final boss, find the missing number. All numbers 1 to 10 are here, except 9. Who let 9 out? Show me what you got. Found it! Find the odd number. Good job. Here it is. Emoji puzzle. What word do these emojis spell? It's tennis. Eyes. Bonus round. Spot the odd emoji. Easy win. You found it. That's a wrap, folks. Let me know how you did by dropping your score in the comments. Had fun? Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more games like this. Pick your next challenge, and we'll see you next time. Peace out! time.